Introducing the 2025 Peugeot Boxer Professional 9-seat Easy-On wheelchair-accessible minibus, expertly converted by CVM World, a trusted Stellantis-approved partner. Step inside to discover a thoughtfully designed interior, with space to accommodate up to 2 wheelchair passengers or up to 9 seated. Perfect for care homes, charities, and accessible transport providers. Each seat is trimmed in high-quality, high-flex velour and features a fully adjustable 3-point seat belt with headrest, suitable for all ages. All rear seats are mounted on NMI Millennium quick-release legs. You'll also find top sliding windows for ventilation, dome storage, and essential safety features like a first aid kit and fire extinguishers. A manual pedal-operated side step ensures safe and easy entry for all passengers. The vehicle is fully glazed with kite-marked safety glass and finished in non-slip vinyl flooring. In the driver's cabin, you'll find air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity, a DAB radio with USB, rear parking sensors, and electric mirrors. A reversing camera with dynamic grid lines is also available as an optional extra. The minibus comes with a dual front passenger seat as standard, with the option to switch to a single seat for even more flexibility. This Euro 6 and ULEZ Compliant minibus offers nationwide delivery and peace of mind with the balance of Peugeot and conversion warranties. At the rear, an internally mounted wheelchair lift comes as standard on this minibus. Easy to operate, reliable and safe, making boarding simple for wheelchair users and carers alike. Built with quality, compliance and comfort in mind, this Peugeot Boxer Easy-On Minibus is the ultimate accessible transport solution. Ready to learn more? Contact our team today on 01782 444 289. And don't forget to follow us on social media for the latest offers and stock updates.